Hi kids!
Wow! Wow!
So many playthings. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4, 5. They are so colorful. Do you know the name of this ball? They are also so cute. Let's learn their names. This is a football. You can also separate them. White color, black color. This is a two-wheeler. It has two wheels. Black color wheels. Red color, yellow color. Do you like it, kids? And this is an eye mask. White color, sky blue color. This is volleyball. Yellow color, white color, sky blue color. And the last one is rugby ball. White color, yellow color, brown color. Now join them again. First one is football.
Wow!
Two-wheeler.
Hiya!
Eye mask.
No.
This is volleyball. Do you know that it is also known as American football? Now keep them aside. Football, rugby ball or American football, volleyball, eye mask, and the last one is two-wheeler. Oh wow, color crayons. Let's learn the colors. Yellow color, green color, purple color, orange color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, brown color. Let's learn alphabets. Oh wow, color pens. Let's learn the colors. Green color, red color, pink color, brown color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, and the last one is sky blue color. It's
Wow!
so many playthings. This is a fish. Sky blue color, yellow color. Another fish. White color, violet color, Fruits. Strawberry. Red color and green color. This is kiwi. Green and light brown. This is shell. Violet color. A dolphin. White and light blue. Let's join them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
6.
Wow! Wow!
Brush. Now we will write alphabets. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, red color. A. A for aeroplane. A for also armadillo. Blue color. B. B for ball. B for also bat. Yellow color. C. C for cat. C for also candy. Green color. D. D for dolphin. D for also dog. Again red color. E. E for elephant. E for also egg. Blue color. F. F for frog. F for also family. Yellow color. G. G for grapes. G for also gorilla. Have you ever seen a gorilla, kids? Green color. H. H for horse. H for also hen. Our last color is red. I. I for ice cream. I for also igloo. Kids. Wow, so many things. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3.
Hiya!
Do you know that they all are erasers? You can also separate their parts. A butterfly, black color, green color. This is so nice.
Wow! Wow!
Second one is a flower. This is so colorful. A red color flower. Third one is a bird. This is cockatoo bird. Yellow color. Join them again. Black color butterfly. Red color, green color. A pink color bird.
No.
Wow, a colorful dinosaur puppet. So many colors. This is so beautiful. Let's play with it. So funny. Play again. Let's learn the colors. Do you like it, kids? Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, purple color. What is your favorite color, kids? Keep it aside. Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is red. Second color is green. Third color is blue. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is pink. Sixth color is yellow. Seventh color is orange. Eighth color is purple. Ninth color is brown. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Pink. A. A for apple. Apple is a fruit. Purple color. B. B for bus. Bus is a vehicle. Orange. C. C for cow. Cow is an animal. Red. D. D for dove. Dove is a bird. Green. E. E for elephant. Elephant is an animal. Yellow. F. F for flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Next color is blue. G. G for grapes. Grape is a fruit. Brown. H. H for horse. Horse is an animal. Our last color is sky blue. I. I for ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream, kids? Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.